In the previous video, we've talked on Balmer series, particularly the principles behind the Bohr's model of the hydrogen atom. So now let's have one sample problem on the Bohr's model of the hydrogen atom. So consider an electron in a hydrogen atom making a transition from energy level n equal to 2 to its ground level. So we are asked to find the wavelength and frequency of the emitted photon. So first, we imagine the electron in a circular orbit about the nucleus as in the Bohr's model. When the electron makes a transition to a lower stationary state, it emits a photon with a given frequency and drops to a circular orbit of smaller radius. So in here, we use the Balmer-Rydberg formula. We have 1 over lambda, the wavelength, equal to the RH, the Rydberg constant, times 1 over nf squared, the energy levels, minus 1 over ni squared, the initial energy level. So we plug in, we have RH times 1 over 1 squared minus 1 over 2 squared, so we get 3/4 RH. So now we cross multiply the first equation to obtain its wavelength. We now have 4/3 over RH. So we plug it in, 4 over 3 times the Rydberg constant, which is 1.097 by 10 to the power of 7 per meter. We now have 1.22 by 10 to the negative 7 meters, or 122 nanometers. And so we now have the wavelength of the emitted photon, which is 122 nanometers. We can now proceed with in determining the frequency of the emitted photon, which is using this formula, frequency f equal to c, the speed of light, over its lambda wavelength. So we plug in the speed of light, which is 3 by 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, divided by the lambda, the wavelength that we've obtained earlier, which is 122 nanometers. So divided by 1.22 by 10 to the negative 7 meters. And so we've obtained the frequency of the emitted photon, which is 2.47 by 10 to the power of 15 hertz. Now, consider again the Balmer-Rydberg formula in an interstellar space where highly excited hydrogen atoms called Rydberg atoms were observed. So again, we are asked to find the wavelengths to which radio astronomers must tune to detect the signals from electrons dropping from energy levels n equal to 273 to n equal to 272. So in here, we plug in the energy levels. So we have 1 over lambda, the wavelength, equal to RH, the Rydberg constant, which is 1.097 by 10 to the power of 7 per meter, times 1 over 272 squared, your NF, minus 1 over Ni squared, where Ni is 273 energy level. We get we get 9.88 by 10 to the negative 8 RH. All right, inverting your answer from the first line, we get the wavelength, which is equal to 1 over 9.88 by 10 to the negative 8 RH. So we have 1 over 9.88 by 10 to the negative 8, where RH is 1.097 by 10 to the power of 7 per meter. So the wavelength is now 0.922 meter. So that's it for the sample problem of the Bohr's model of the hydrogen atom. See you in the next videos.